How to make an invoice with Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to create it from Shopify itself. So we're not going to be using any third-party application or anything. So let's just go and get started. First we're just going to go ahead and click on the orders section. So beneath home you can just see orders, click on that. From there you simply just want to click on drafts. And now you just want to click on create draft order. So from the draft order, you're just going to set up the actual invoice in here. So we're going to begin with the actual products that you want to add to the invoice. So you can just click on browse and select all the different products that you have or not have that you actually want in the invoice and click on add. This is actually going to calculate things here for you. You just want to obviously select the quantity for each one if you have multiple different variants. And each, just make sure you add the proper quantity for all of them. And automatically it's going to be calculated down here. Next up, you want to go to the customer here and select a customer. So you can either create a new one or select one from here. I'm just going to create a new one because I don't really have any customers for the time being. Also, you can add their emails from here. So if you want to send them the actual invoice easily, you can just add it in here. And just like that, once you actually add their contact information, you can save the invoice. And you can send the invoice here. Down at the bottom, you should be able to send invoice. So it's going to automatically add their email address if you actually added any from the contact information. If not, you can feel free to just add it right now. And you are going to be able to obviously just adjust the entire email, review, and send. So that is pretty much how to create an invoice from Shopify. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.